Yes. Happy, what's today? Wednesday? Yeah, it's a middle of the week. Happy Wednesday, everyone. My hair is hard to comb. May our day. Bismuth, filled with love, joy, peace, happiness, compassion, and unity to each other. I thought it's only June. The June is already done. Already July. This is the month of last 2023. I think July 18 I went to vacation Philippines, but this time I cannot go vacation. I don't have budget for vacation. It's too expensive. I need big amount of money to be able to go vacation. I don't have budget. It's 2 years. Already 2 years when I last vacation in Philippines. I cannot go vacation also. September is my local leave. When they're going to vacation to Philippines, the whole family. I'm planning to take OJT for my nursing assistant. I hope I can find the home care where I can take OJT. And I can save money for that. 40 minutes of that OJT. Because it's almost 1 year since I graduate, and I won't be able to take OJT because of lack of budget. So many financial struggle. There is payment need to pay. Amount need to pay for the OJT. Not pray. So I want to get the certificate because I'm planning to apply work in the hospital. That's all, guys. Good morning and have a nice day to all. Bye.